Hi, I'm Sean with Quest, and I would like to welcome you to the Active Administrator Reporting and NocView video demonstration. From within the web console, I'm going to go over running a few reports to show the options that you have. There are way too many reports to show them all, so this is something to play with to find out what is useful in your customers' environments. Let's start with an Active Directory health report. From here, you can filter down reports to specific features of Active Directory, or even search for a specific report. I'm going to select an Active Directory report, and I'm going to select the AD Diskbase report. Here you're going to enter your domain name, then click the little play button to load the domain controllers, then select the domain controllers you want to run the reports against. I only have one, so I'm just going to select them all, and then hit the Run Report button. This report gives you some good data. It shows where the file locations are, your page file information including sizes. It also does an AD file location check, and it gives you a message highlighted in yellow that the sys file is located on the same disk as a system root, which isn't recommended, and the log files and database are on the same drive, which is also not recommended. It also gives you a breakdown of where every AD file is located, and the size and a description of them, along with disk usage and detailed sys file information. Let's check out another report. I'm going to run the Active Directory health report. It gives you a detailed report on AD health alerts. Here it gives you a lot of different features. I'm going to filter by date range, and I'm going to filter for the last month. You can also filter by alerts, and you can filter by severity. I'm not going to choose any of these filters. I'm just going to run the report, as I want to show you all the details. As you can see in the last month, there was 102 alerts. The first alert was generated on DC83DC2. It showed that the CPU for the domain controller was too busy. It gives you details when the warning was set, and when it was set to critical, and when it was cleared, along with up-to-the-minute details of the value of the severity. The Network Operations Center, or NOC for short, provides a centralized location where you can monitor your forests, domains, sites, and domain controllers. You can view a summary of data points, view active alerts, and detailed information on each domain. At the top, you have some other options like Active Alerts. This feature gives you a detailed breakdown of alerts that are happening in real time and have not been cleared. Some very useful information here. Then you have the Domain Controllers feature. This gives you information for each domain controller in your environment. It gives you details like the domain it is in, the site, forest, OS version, system uptime, etc. And that concludes this video demonstration. From all of us here at Quest, we thank you for taking the time to watch, and there'll be many more to come. To learn more about Active Administrator, visit us online.